Good afternoon, everybody. This is Scare Rookie, and welcome to another update of Scare Rookie Productions Presents. Well, there you have it, guys. The two columns that I've been working on, probably for the last couple of weeks in total, are nearing completion. They basically are done. The only thing I've got to do is the caps. The caps are already done. I just have to detail them to match. But we'll just take a quick walk around here so you can see, some of the detail for the tombstones, or excuse me, for the columns for the cemetery. And for those of you who have watched the previous videos, you will know that this is all sculpted styrofoam. Using my foam sculpting tools and hot glue and paint, a heat gun. I did use an airbrush for some detailing, but most of it is all dry brushed. We'll walk around the side here. You can see all the little nuances of details. So that's with the whitewashing technique that we talked about a little earlier. And then, of course, the brick. I didn't really go into a detail tutorial on the painting of the brick because it's just dry brushed. I did talk about the layers. It's, a layer of red, like a rust red, brown, and then highlighted basically with black, just to kind of give it a little grit and grime, little age. So there you have it. There's my two columns. These will be used on either side of the gate that will be in between both of them. It'd be the entrance to the cemetery. And so the next step will be to start on the wall sections. I've already got two columns that I made from previous years. I'm going to have to pull those down and do a little paint work on those to get them where I want them. I built those before I learned a lot of the techniques and stuff that I've used on these. So I'm just going to update them to kind of match accordingly. And then we'll assemble it. So that's it. I look forward to your feedback. And if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. But until then, this is Scare Rookie Productions signing off. I will have a quick update on the fence assembly. Once we get started on that, we've got to go buy the materials and stuff for that. I'm going to have a buddy of mine help me with that one. But we're going to be using PVCs for wrought iron. We will have a 3-foot high stone base part for the wall. It'll all be made out of styrofoam reinforced with plywood. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project as we move through to the next phase of building the fence. So again, thank you for your time. Again, if you have any questions, any comments, whatever pertaining to these columns or anything else, I guess in general, let me know. So again, Scare Rookie signing off, and guys, keep on scaring.